Hi guys, I'm Brandy and welcome to Brandy and Company. In today's video, I am going to go over the latest addition to my collection. That's the Hermès Kelly 32. You would have seen it in my last video where I did a car unboxing with Bonita, and I will link that video at the top here as well as below. So if you haven't checked that out, I would go check that out first. I think it's a really fun video. All right, let's get right into it. So this is the bag. This is the Kelly 32. It is in swift leather with gold hardware, and the color is gold. It's so beautiful. It's so buttery soft, you guys. I'm gonna go a little bit into a backstory here. I have been on the hunt for a Kelly for probably approximately 6 months now, and I really wanted the Etude color with palladium hardware. However, the prices for those on the pre-loved market are just not what I'm willing to pay, bottom line. So I was going to compromise on the size. I knew I really wanted a 32, but I was like, let me try a 35. Maybe that'll work, because you know the season that I'm in with a toddler, a big bag is very welcome. So I did order a 35 from Fashion File. I'll pop that picture here. And it was a beautiful bag, but long term, I knew that a 35 would not work for me, but I had to get it in my hands to make sure. And the price point on this one from Fashion File was really, really good. And it was in Togo leather, which is kind of the leather that I was searching for. Prior to the 35, when I had just begun my search earlier this year, a Kelly 32 on the RealReal popped up, and it was advertised as Gray Elephant, and it was in Togo leather, size 32, gold hardware, incredible price. Bought it. And then this happened. So I had to return it. They accepted the return, no problems, unlike the Chanel ordeal. And I will link that video here if you'd like to see the video about my RealReal experience. So I just felt kind of defeated and almost gave up on a 32 Kelly because I just was not finding what I wanted for the price that I was willing to pay. I have invested X amount of dollars in luxury handbags, and I'm not willing to invest any more in them. So I sell to buy, and I've sold quite a few just to even get this one. So I was thinking, all right, so Etude is my preferred color. What's another color that is neutral, that goes with a lot of things, actually everything, and that was gold, because I already have a gold Birkin. But right now, again, for the season that I'm in, the strap is very, very beneficial and helpful for me. So I was like, I'm gonna go on the hunt for a gold on gold, and if it comes along at the price I like, then I will get it. And this one came up on eBay for almost $2,000 more than what I was willing to pay. So I did contact the buyer and ask him if he was open to a direct sale, and he screenshot his information with me, and we did the sale via PayPal, and I was really happy working with him. He is the owner of a luxury store, actually, out of Washington State. They do private luxury buying for individuals. So you can't go to their website and see what they offer because it's private, but it's very legit, and I'm super happy with my purchase. So if anyone's interested, please leave me a comment below, and I'll get you some information if you're interested in getting something. But yeah, so the other thing was, for what I was willing to pay, a lot of the Hermeskelly bags on the pre-loved market are just beat down. And I'm like, oh God, well, I can pay this lower price, but it's gonna have to go to Hermes almost immediately because I didn't want it to wear and tear any further and then like just continue to really damage the bag. This one, for the condition and the price, is just, I still am in amazement. And here's the corner wear on it. Like, it's very good, but I've seen some where the structure is exposed. And scratches and things like that don't really bother me because it's gonna happen on hardware. The largest thing I was concerned about in the photos was this handle. This handle photographed horribly, but in person it's not that bad at all, like at all. So the person that did have this bag before hand carried it a lot, and this bag is from 2018 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'll pop it up, but I believe it's from 2018, so it's not quite vintage. It doesn't qualify yet. 4 feet. I think I showed you guys that. And this is the back. So something that Benita pointed out that I knew about is this pin mark here. Can you guys see that? That doesn't bother me. First of all, this is going to be covered most of the time. And if it's not, it's so faint, you can barely see it. But all that was disclosed in the video and photo that I received. And it did come with the original dust bag. Lock and clochette are in here. I don't carry those on any of my Hermes bags. It's just something else to weigh it down, and I'm not gonna lock it. I just don't feel like I need it. It's an accessory I don't care to fuss with. And this is the interior, zipper compartment, and the 2 open pockets there. Absolutely beautiful. The inside is gorgeous. And I have a box Kelly in 32 that's with Hermes for repair right now. They have to send it to Paris, but another story. And I love that in a box. So this feels even larger because it's swift leather, and you know it gives. It's just really perfect for my lifestyle right now. I love the color. I think it's gonna age or continue to age beautifully. And I'm just super thrilled with this bag. And I think that's it, you guys. I just absolutely love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I will check you later. Toodles, bye!